And we're back. We know that Valentine's Day is not a happy holiday for everyone. If you recently did the dumping or were on the receiving end of being dumped, this segment is for you. We've got Laura Brownlee here from the fitness franchise I Love Kickboxing, and she's got me all like ready to go here. I took my tie off. I've got gloves.
So glad.
Okay, so
awesome.
you guys have an event specifically for Valentine's Day called Shred Your Ex. Tell me about that.
So it's a super awesome event that we do. We've done for a few years now. It's been a huge success. It's where our guests get to come in and take pictures up of their ex.
Like this right
here? Their current love ex, like that picture right there, that silly guy, yes. Yeah. Maybe a relative or a coworker or a boss you just don't like. It's for anybody that just gets on your nerves a little bit. Tape their picture up on the bag.
And then what do you do to the bag? Let's see.
Tear it up. So we could do like a basic jab, cross, right, jab, cross. Lost the mic.
See? That's what happens when you do it that hard.
That is what happens when you do it that hard.
That's impressive. So how do I do that without losing my mic here?
Let me show you. So yeah, left foot in front, right foot in back for balance. Hands up, guard that face, and then you're going to throw a straight jab to the left and a right cross punch. There you go.
How much of that is legs? How much of that is shoulders?
It's all core, arms, and legs. That's what's beautiful about our program. It works your whole body. It's amazing. It'll tighten and tone everything up.
Now, you're an instructor there. How did you get into all of this?
So I found kickboxing because I was out of shape and ready to get in shape and feel good about myself again. And I found I love kickboxing, and I lost about 30 pounds and got in the best shape of my life. And then I knew that was something that I had to help the world with. I wanted to give back to people what was given to me. And so here I am.
Well, what a great way to do it. All right, well, you've got some folks here from your studio. Let's bring them in and let them hit the bag a little bit while we continue our interview. Go ahead, guys. You can pummel that guy. I don't know, or each other, I guess. Okay, tell me what's the difference between kickboxing and boxing, besides the obvious?
So we have fitness kickboxing, and what we do is we take real-life pro fighting and make it accessible to anyone. So it's great for the average person. Anyone can do it, a pro fighter, a regular person, anybody. That's what's so beautiful about our program.
All right, well, there are still some slots available for the Shred Your Ex event.
Yes.
What do they have to do to get in touch with you?
They can just give us a call or hit us up on our website at www.ilovekickboxing.com, and all the information is there.
All right, well, with that, we're going to wrap this up. Let's give them one last hit for the road there. That's it for this edition of Public Affairs on Peach. You can join the conversation every week by sending us an email to publicaffairs@cbs46.com and visit the Facebook page for upcoming episodes and to leave your feedback. Until next Saturday, everyone, happy Valentine's Day and enjoy the rest of your weekend. Now, what's this pose? The Rocky, right?